In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage a task in monday.com. To get started, open the monday.com board where you normally track your tasks. This is the main workspace where your team keeps everything organized, so it's important to make sure you're in the correct board before adding anything new. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help prevent tasks from ending up in the wrong place later. Once you're on the board, go to the specific group where the task should be added. Groups are used to organize items by category, project phase, team, or any structure your workspace uses. For example, you might have separate groups for upcoming work, active tasks, or completed items. Choosing the right group helps keep the board clear and makes it easier for everyone to find what they need. When you're in the correct group, click Add Item. This creates a new task row on the board. As soon as the new item appears, type the task name. Try to make the task name short but specific, so it's easy to understand at a glance. A clear task title helps reduce confusion and makes follow-up much easier, especially when multiple people are reviewing the board. After entering the task name, fill in any important task details. Add an owner, so it's clear who is responsible for the work. Set a due date if there's a deadline and update the status to reflect where the task currently stands. If your board uses priorities, you can also choose the appropriate priority level when needed. These details make the task more actionable and help your team stay aligned on responsibilities and timing. If the task needs extra context, add notes or upload files as required. Notes are useful for instructions, background information, or any details that will help the person working on the task understand what needs to be done. Files can be attached when supporting documents, images, or reference materials are needed. Keeping everything connected to the task in one place makes collaboration much smoother. As work progresses, continue updating the task. You can adjust the status, change the due date if timelines shift, add more notes, or attach additional files when necessary. Keeping the task current is one of the most important parts of using monday.com effectively because it ensures the board stays accurate and useful for everyone involved. That's how to add and manage a task in monday.com quickly and clearly.